How to reset the network settings on your mobile phone on Android. So first you will need to open up the settings, and in here you want to search for network, and then you will need to click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, and then scroll down and click on the reset settings button at the bottom, and this should reset the settings for your network, your Wi-Fi, mobile data, including the Bluetooth. And once it's done, it should reset all the networks. Now you might need to restart your phone by holding down the power button for a few seconds until this menu shows up. And then you can simply choose reboot by swiping down to reboot your phone. And once your phone is rebooted, you can go back and try to connect to your network via mobile data or Wi-Fi. And this should fix any issues that you might have previously. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.